Hello, my name is Akeem Anafawashi. I'm the owner and chemical engineer here at NuLife Kicks. We specialize in sneaker restorations and product development. Essentially, I am your footwear doctor and footwear pharmacist. The venture capital funds were used to invest into product development, also expand our inventory, and also advertise to help us expand our reach across the world. Our products are now being distributed globally, and with these funds, it allowed us to reach more people and also increase our sales by over 10% with the use of advertising. If we were to have more funds, we would continue to invest in product, continue to invest in research and development, increase our inventory, and make our products more accessible around the world. There are a lot of people who need this product internationally, and to be able to have our products in warehouses, in Amazon warehouses around the world, it would make our product that much easier to attain.